Story time! You want to hear a Speckle story, don't you?
Woof, woof.
I thought so. He's your favorite. Today's story is Speckle and the Clean Beach. One sunny day, Speckle and his friends were on their way to the beach, laughing and chatting about all the fun things they were going to do when they got there. But when they arrived, they had a sad surprise. The beach was covered with litter, not clean like a beach should be. Reba, Darnell, Luna, Ravi, and Speckle couldn't imagine playing on a beach like that. Then Speckle said they could if they just took a few minutes to clean it up. Speckle used his beach bag to collect cans. Ravi, Darnell, and Luna picked up all the empty boxes and candy wrappers. And Reba used her shovel and pail to collect bits of stray paper. Before they knew it, the beach was just like it should be, clean and beautiful and ready for them to play on together. The end. That was a great story. Isn't reading fun?
Woof.
Lucky Charm.
Go, Charlie! Keep it up!
Whoops. Ah, so close.
That was excellent, son.
Thanks, Dad. Wait till you see Emily. She's really great.
I think you want to go the other way, Vas.
You almost made it that time. I've been practicing just like Emily Elizabeth told me to. I read this book with all kinds of skating tips from professionals. I can't wait to show her what I've learned.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You don't have to wait, because here she is.
Whoa, whoa.
Thanks for the ride, Clifford. With you and my lucky stone, it's gonna be a great day for skating.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Elizabeth. Hi, Clifford.
Whoa, whoa.
Hi, Emily Elizabeth. Hi, Emily.
You want me to show you guys what Clifford and I have been practicing?
Yeah, sure. Wow! Wow, Emily, how'd you do that? Those awesome. Yay, Emily Elizabeth! Yeah, Clifford! You are incredible!
Thanks. Wow, the track looks great. And there's the quarter pipe.
Race you to it!
Okay.
Someday, I'm gonna skate as well as Emily Elizabeth.
Whoa, whoa.
Catch me if you can, Charlie.
I can! Wow, you really are fast, Emily.
Oh!
Whoa, whoa.
Oh. Thanks, Clifford.
You okay, Emily?
Are you all right? Sure, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just be careful now.
Thanks. Lucky for me, Clifford is here. And I have my lucky stone. My lucky stone! It's gone! It must have fallen off somewhere. I know it's just an old painted stone, but it always brings me good luck.
You mean it's a lucky charm?
I know there's no such thing as real lucky charms. I just like having it with me.
I know what you mean. I've got my special shirt I always wear for luck when I play soccer. Don't worry, we'll help you find it.
Thanks, guys.
Sorry, Emily. I wish we could have found your stone. I think we looked everywhere.
That's okay. It was just an old painted stone. But thanks for looking.
You want to go and skate some more? Maybe it'll make you feel better.
I don't know. I've never skated without my lucky stone before.
Oh, come on. You're a great skater. You don't need a lucky stone. Let's go try the wavy mountains. They're really fun.
Well, okay.
Cool. Down the hill, Emily Elizabeth. Emily?
I'm okay.
Go, Emily! You can do it! What's the matter?
I don't think I can do this.
But you're the best skater on the island.
No, I'm not. Not anymore.
Are you okay?
No, I need my lucky charm. I can't skate without it.
Look, Emily Elizabeth, your strap broke. That's why you fell.
But my strap broke because I don't have my lucky stone. I don't think I want to skate anymore today.
Don't let that fall bother you. It happens to everyone once in a while. It happens to me all the time.
It never happened to me before until I lost my lucky stone. See? I need my lucky stone. I can't even get a drink of water without it.
Hey, Clifford wants you to have a new lucky stone.
It's beautiful, Clifford. But it's a little big for me to wear on my neck chain. Oh, thanks for trying. But I'm gonna go and look for my real stone.
Nice try, Clifford. Yeah, and that gives me an idea. Emily just thinks she needs her lucky stone. All she really needs is her confidence back. So we'll let her think we found her polka-dotted stone. Ah, then afterwards when we tell her, she'll know that she doesn't need her stone to skate well. So, what do you think? Does it look like Emily's? Great, now let's go find her.
Where is it? Where is it?
Here it is.
You found it?
We sure did.
You did! You found it! Oh, thank you! I feel luckier already. So, where was it?
It was, by that tree.
That's funny. I was never over there.
Maybe the wind blew it there. So, now that you've got your lucky stone, you want to try the quarter pipe?
Sure, I want to try it all.
Look at Emily go!
Go, Emily Elizabeth!
Yes!
That was great! And you didn't even need your lucky charm after all.
What do you mean? It's right here. Wait a minute. Hey, this isn't my lucky charm.
No, it isn't. It's just a stone that Baz and Clifford and I painted. We just wanted to show you that you don't need anything to give you luck. That you're a great skater, all on your own.
You're right, guys. I guess I don't need a lucky stone. I just need to believe that I can do it on my own. But I'm going to keep this new lucky stone anyway. I think it's even better than my old one.
It is?
Mm-hmm. Because this stone will always remind me that I have the best friends in the whole world.
Hi, T-Bone.
Can we play too?
I'm not playing, Cleo.
You're not?
What are you doing, T-Bone?
I'm cleaning my doghouse.
Ugh. Wouldn't you rather be playing with us?
Well, yeah.
Then let's play! Nothing's more fun than playing with your friends, but it's a good idea to be responsible and finish your work before you start to play. Come on, T-Bone, hit it back!
Well, no. I made a promise to myself to finish cleaning my doghouse first. Then I'll play.
Okay, T-Bone, can we help?
No thanks.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh. This is my job. You guys keep playing. I'll be done in a minute.
It feels good to finish a job you start. That's why Clifford's big idea for today is be responsible.